I never saw you being contented with that. Parang ako kasi contento na ako dito. I don't know kung kaya mo yun. Diba?
Parang kulang
And
na
then,
lang. Sabi mo, ang kulang na lang beach.
Ah.
Alam mo, sagot ko, tara, beach tayo. And
kahit alam mo na may kailangan kang gawin, alam mo kailangan mo magtrabaho, or alam mo kailangan mo magluto, tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin, nag-school ka pa rin. Huwag ka na sa utang.
Hindi ka na sa utang, pero bili ka pa rin ng bili.
Diba?
Yun, paano naging faithful ng isang cheater? Alam ako, next, go, let's go. Ayoko bumili, ayoko mag-shopping, pero add to cart mo siya. Ang dami mo ng bag, ang dami mo ng sapatos, ang dami mo ng gadgets, pero gusto mo pa more. Pero bakit parang laging hindi enough?
This is R.R. Herrera,
And this is Karel Herrera.
Welcome to Pillow Fights.
a podcast where we can talk about things that keep us awake at night.
Problems and challenges in love, work, and life that we see from different perspectives.
A space where we can agree to disagree and have a safe and brave space to live, laugh, learn, and let loose.
In this episode, we will talk about dopamine and the pleasure and pain it creates in our lives. Dopamine is a feel-good chemical in our brains that make us feel motivation, pleasure, excitement. Imagine receiving your online shopping delivery, eating your favorite food, going viral, and getting an unexpected cash bonus. Your heart races and you have a rush of excitement. That's dopamine.
And as it gives us pleasure, it also is the chemical behind addiction and the desire for the next thrill. Here's episode 1 of Pillow Fights.
Na-addict ka na ba? Alam mo ba na merong chemical sa brain natin that we can blame for that?
May choice ba talaga tayo? Or pwede na lang nating i-blame yung chemical na yun na nasa utak natin?
Kaya ba natin kontrolin or baguhin ito? Now, anong pinag-uusapan natin dito? A lot of things that we will learn today.
So, welcome to Pillow Fights. It's a podcast wherein we look at the different perspectives ng mga issues na nararanasan natin.
And bilang mag-asawa, I guess we have different perspectives as well. And I'm sure katulad din ninyo na marami kayong mga iba't ibang klase opinion tungkol dito. Yung pag-uusapan natin today, actually, ang basis nito isang libro done by Daniel Lieberman and Michael Law. Yung subtitle nakaka-interest. Sabi ko sa subtitle, How a Single Chemical in Your Brain Drives Love, Sex, and Creativity and Will Determine the Fate of the Human Race.
So, ibig sabihin ba nito, meron talaga isang molecule lang that will drive us. So, when we say na pag drive tayo, parang sometimes it's good, pero sometimes, yung ba sinasabi ito na parang it can also parang redirect us dun sa isang bagay na napapariwala tayo.
Ay, oo. Kasi ito yung molecules of more. Yun yung title ng book. Yung more. And I'm sure,
Yun yung addiction.
yun yung addiction na na-experience natin. Yung parang, okay ka naman, pero lagi ka pa rin nag-chase nung next big thing. Even when you're already comfortable. Okay ka na naman, di ba? Parang, ang dami mo ng bag, ang dami mo ng sapatos, ang dami mo ng gadgets, pero gusto mo pa more. Gusto mo rin ng ideal relationship, gusto mo perfect. Yung parang, okay ka naman kung nasaan ka, pero bakit parang laging hindi enough?
At hindi lang dyan. So, maraming taong addict. Diba? Maraming hindi amin ito, pero addiction can come in different ways. Diba? Tulad nga sabi mo kanina, it's about shopping. May mga ibang addict sa shopping. May iba ring addict sa as simple as social media. Like yung scrolling na yan. Ang daming ganyan. Diba? Akala mo na parang, uy, 5 minutes lang to. Kita mo na, 30 minutes ka na. Pinupulikat ka na sa banyo. Diba?
Ay, kung nakikita kita ganyan yun, minsan parang pumunoy, di ba? Parang papahinga lang ako.
Ako talaga. Ako talaga.
Bakit?
Hinahiya naman ako. Diba?
Uy, pero ako din, may awareness ako dyan.
Pero ang funny thing is, kahit alam mo na may kailangan kang gawin, alam mo kailangan mo magtrabaho, or alam mo kailangan mo magluto, or alam mong matulog, hindi, tuloy-tuloy ka pa rin, nag-school ka pa rin. So, what happens inside our brain kung bakit tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo? Bakit hindi tayo makaalis doon?
And I'm sure yung mga nanonood ngayon sa podcast na to, a lot of things na nakaka-relate kayo. So, baka i-comment na lang ninyo sa comment section, ilagay nyo sa chat box kung ano ang mga comments nyo na saan kayo na-addict. Ito yung classic natin. Yung matutulog kami sa gabi. Tapos, last, sa series.
Sinimulan ng pandemic.
Oo, yun. Last
Salamat.
episode.
Ano tayo, nilaman tayo ng sistema ng K-drama.
Oo, tapos habang manonood kami, last episode. Tapos nanonood kami. Tapos biglang may cliffhanger. Nakakainis. So matutulog ka na.
Parang sige, ka lang. Tingnan lang natin kung ano yung mangyayari.
Tapos-
Pero yung mangyayari niyan, parang 1 hour uli yun.
Tapos maya, stress na naman na yung araw. Oh my God. Kaya ako yung classic sa akin. Kasi lagi ako nangigising sa middle of the night. So, naiihi ako. Tapos, minsan, pagbalik ko sa kama, ayan na, umaandar na yung utak ko kung saan na naman napupunta. Tapos maya, nandun na ako sa
Shopping.
online shopping.
Yung shopping na yan, sige, let's discuss na to. I mean, yung addiction ko doon, it's not really the buying part. Pero kung aminin natin yung addiction doon, I think it's being efficient. Kasi akin, yung pag-shopping ko yung parang, kunwari nga, di ba, yung pagbuong ng Pangasinan. Alam mo, punta pa akong Pangasinan, di ba, para bumili na. But for me, yung mas mabilis ko makukuha, or pag kunwari, di ba, sa iba't ibang mga shopping apps, iba't ibang presyo. So kung makahanap ako ng mas mura doon, na parang feeling ko yung nakatipid ako, yun yung reward for me. Parang, ang efficient ko, or parang, uy, ang smart ko kasi nakuha ko tong mas mura.
Oo. Iba yung dopamine hit sa'yo. Hindi
Yes.
yung para more, pero natutuwa ka rin sa point system.
Or kunwari, di ba, parang, dati parang 2,000, tapos bigla lagi 1,000. Nakahanap ako ng 500. Yun, that's the best.
Doon ka masaya yung parang sing ganda.
Yan, pero di sing mahal. Yan.
At saka yung pagka nakakahanap ka ng mga finds mo, yung pang strain ng lababo.
Sabihin mo tao, kasi kuha yan, palink naman yan. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan.
Ano ba gusto ko makita yung mga ilaw-ilaw natin
Ay, hindi.
dito?
Pakita mo yung mga binili mo.
Magkaiba yun. Kasi mga binibili ni RR, madalas useful.
Pambahay kasi.
Kasi kung kunyari, makita ninyo yung mga ilaw namin,
Yung mga pin light.
pwede ba natin
Hindi,
makita?
yan. Shoot na lang natin. Insert na lang tayo.
So, yung mga pin lights namin na yan, natatanggal. Tapos rechargeable.
Ayoko kasi nang mag-wire pa. Kasi pag nag-wire ako, makikita yun. Tapos, pangit tingnan.
Oo.
So sabi ko, paano kaya na mailawan pa rin yung mga painting? So ang ginawa ko, nakahanap ako, rechargeable.
Galing. So, yun yung mga parang tuwan-tuwa siya sa gano'n. Kasi pagka meron siya nabibiling gano'n, say niya, gano'n siya.
Yayabang ko pa yan.
Oo. Tapos lahat ng bisita namin sa bahay, binubudol niya. Kaya nga number 1 influencer award na dapat sa kanya, ang daming namimili doon sa mga nakukuha niya items.
Pero balik natin, that's the addiction eh. That's the addiction.
Ako hindi.
Ikaw, ang addiction mo, basta shopping lang.
Hindi, tsaka, kunyari, meron akong biniling lotion. Remember, may binili ako lotion para sa mga skin firming belly fats ko. Hindi isa. Mga
Lima,
tatlo o
ganon.
4 o 5
Itam, tatlo lang daw. Sumakit siya, 4, 5. Okay.
na versions yung bibili ko. Merong tinitape lang, merong pang body wash, may lotion. Yun parang, or remember nung ang dami akong failure na binili ko mga infrared, yung mga nakikita natin sa K-drama na ginaganon lang. Ang dami, bumili ako ng ganon, bumili ako ng ginaganon, bumili ako ng kung ano-ano. Tapos, lahat siya nasa drawer.
Or yung iba, alam mo na bawas, ganyan lang. Tapos okay na yun.
Oo.
Wala na.
Oo. Ay, ayun yung kanina, yung ma-e-expire. Meron kami mga ma-e-expire na mga tsaa. Nung nabili ko yun doon sa tindahan sa may healthy-healthyhan na mga tsaa, ay talaga nag-hoard ako. Ang dami kong binili.
So even like, sige, pag-usapan, balik natin sa addiction.
Sige.
So yung
Ay, talaga ako.
so yung hoarding na yan, addiction yun. Hindi lang
Yes.
isa. Hindi siya
Yes.
enough na isa.
Yes.
So ito yung more na sinasabi.
Kasi yung
Yep.
dopamine, apparently, ito yung chemical na nagre-reward sa atin.
Correct.
Pero alam mo ba na yung reward does not come from the achievement, but the expectation.
So parang ano rin yan, diba pagdating sa social media, yung mga likes, yung mga reactions, yung mga comments ng mga tao.
Yung pinakamalakas na dopamine hit doon, hindi yung alam mong maraming magla-like sa post mo, pero yung
I-expect
anticipation,
ka.
yung na-expect mo. Kaya kapag ka biglang, ay, wala nag-like, ang lungkot mo. Parang
Ginanda ka, ginanda mo, in-edit mo pa, at biglang wala nag-like.
Oo. Diba? Sama sa loob. Pero, meron ding mga times na Parang may pinost ka lang, bali wala lang yung pinost mo, tapos may, oh my God, ang dami, sold
Yun
out.
yung nagsuspect.
Yun.
Yun yung nagsuspect.
Yung gap na yun between the reality and the expectation. And I think, to understand itong dopamine, again, sabi natin, reward system siya and chemical siya sa brain natin that is released whenever we feel like there is pleasure or a pleasurable thing or a reward that we're going to receive. Again, hindi siya dun sa actual reward but the expectation of the reward. Kaya kapag wala na raw expectation, wala nang nagre-release sa dopamine. Parang pag sinabi mo daw sa isang taong,
Sa relationship.
oo, wala ka nang ine-expect na bago,
Parang normal naman siya.
oo, ay,
Parang, may effort ka, ginanabatan siya. Ganon. Yan.
oh, I love you.
Yes. Kamusabi talaga. Okay.
Okay, yung history nito, yung background na study nito ni Lieberman, and I so love neuroscience yung studies, and alam mo naman to na sobra akong addict dito, no? Doon sa pag-aaral niya na back to the caveman days, yung hunter-gatherer, kaya talaga kailangan yung dopamine kasi survival yun eh. Kailangan daw ng dopamine release kasi kailangan natin ng more food. Paano pagka nauubusan ka na? Kung wala tayong dopamine at wala tayong desire for more, ibig sabihin, okay na ako, kahit magutom
Kaya
ako.
pumatay na ako.
Dito na lang ako sa cave. Diba? At least we're not on tribe.
So it's,
It's there for a reason. It's there to seek.
pero bakit ngayon? Parang lahat ng mga addiction, it's bad.
Kasi nung unang panahon, nagsisik tayo talaga nag-hunt for food and survival. Gets mo na talagang gutom ka, humanap ka ng baboy ramo. Or humanap ka ng lion. Di ba? Patay mo yung lion. Anyway.
Hindi ako kumakain ng lion.
Anyway. Pag-usapan na natin ADHD next time.
Ano pato? Anyway. Sige.
So, okay. Yun yung hunter-gatherer. You know this, di ba? Meron, I'm also a workaholic. Pag-uusapan natin yun sa
Ay,
next
ano rin.
episode.
Kasi ako, ang challenge sa akin, yung more for me is yung maubos. I don't know how.
Sa akin, huwag maubos.
Hindi kasi nga yung parang kailangan ko maubos. Challenge for me yun eh.
Talaga?
Oo.
Oo. Kaya ka nakakatuwa.
Natutuwa ako kasi parang, natapos ko rin. Or parang,
Yun sa'yo, yung achievement.
Yep.
The sense of
Yes.
achievement. Mine has no end. It's so sad. Alam mo yung, and gets ko to. And the reason why,
mukha siyang collection. Mukha siyang collection.
But
Pwede
you-
nang lagyan ng ng cabinet. Ganyan.
parang nung nahilig ako sa painting.
Oh
Okay,
my gosh.
wala.
Sa bagsakan, ang dami talaga. Wala na kaming dingding, guys. Wala na kami paglagyan ng painting. Dahil lahat ng dingding namin meron.
Next episode, yung picture natin, yung mga pader natin.
Ang pader namin.
And that's the thing with dopamine. The need. It's a chemical thing in the brain that is a reward system. Yun yung nagre-reward. Yay! Ding, 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 ding.
Is it the same chemical yung justification of it? Kasi like, lahat
Yes.
ng addiction natin,
Yes.
may rason tayo.
Yes.
May rason tayo kung bakit, binili ko yan kasi ganito.
Oo.
Or binili ko yan para makatipid. Or
Or
binili
I
ko yan.
deserve it.
Oo. And then,
Actually, hindi. Okay. Yes, yung dopamine, yung nag-urge sa'yo, pero meron tayong tinatawag na cognitive dissonance. Yung kapag ka hindi naaayon yung ginawa mo sa paniniwala mo. Kunyari, mabait kang tao, tapos nagnakaw ka, yung cognitive dissonance doon, yung i-justify mo, nagnakaw ako para sa mahihirap. Sorry. Di ba may mga ganon?
let's not go there.
Sorry.
Let's not go there. Huwag tayo,
Pero yun yung
Yes.
cognitive dissonance. So, yes, kapag ka merong reward system sa brain natin na nagsasabi, I want more. Sometimes there's no reason why. There's no rational reason why, but it's that pleasure to seek more, whether it is more
So,
achievement for you.
So, sinasabi ko irrational. That's also the dopamine. But what if it's rational?
Then, when you make it rational, then you can temper it. Doon natin control. Ito yung parang,
For example, the
lang,
painting.
oh,
Parang in the long run kasi, this one will appreciate. Diba?
Pero, talaga, wala ka ng pader. Yung ganyan. Or,
I think yung sinasabi mo yung wala ka ng padal, bumili ka pa.
oo.
Yun yun.
Yun yun. Or kunyari, hindi mo na talaga afford yung bag na yan, or isa pang bag, at isa pang bag,
Lubog ka na sa utang.
Lubog ka na sa utang, pero bili ka pa rin ng bili. Yun yung nagkakaroon talaga, maraming ganun may problema. And when we talk about gambling addiction,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
Yung sinasanla na nila lahat. And meron akong titang ganyan. Talagang, wala na guys, wala na po siyang tirahan. Tinakul na siya ng mga anak niya, nagaling na po sa kanya lahat ng tao. Pero, that need for more. I mean, it can go to that extreme. But if we look at it na parang, meron talagang chemical that drives us there. And if we understand it, if we are able to rationalize it or ma-explain or mabigyan ng tamang rason, kaya ba natin siyang ihinto?
It's not necessarily bad.
That's not
Mali lang ang
naging direction.
mali lang ang pinigbigyan ng addiction na yun.
Yes, okay.
So,
I-translate natin to modern life, ha? So,
Oo.
from the hunter-gatherer na kailangan mong pumatay, humanap, mag-hunt, tas biglang ngayon, wala ka na kailangan i-hunt. Lahat ng kailangan mo, lahat ng pagkain mo, nandyan na eh. Right? Ano ngayon na nangyari sa brain natin? Kinailangan niyang humanap ng ibang bagay na i-hunt.
okay.
Dun, 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 dun.
Kaya, so again,
Interesting, no?
so ngayon, dahil this addiction yan, again, na walang control, right? But if we are able to direct that, yung addiction na yun mapunta sa asawa mo,
Oh, yes.
or mapunta yun sa pagluluto,
Oh, hindi lang. Or
diba?
sa
Or mapunta
pagtulong sa bayang Pilipinas. There are people na, we know
addicted
people
to
like
that.
that.
Yes.
We know people like that.
So, again, it's really, so tama ba na ang addiction masama dahil sa bagay na kinakaadi ka?
Or dahil sa sobra. At gets mo, okay, meron kaming kaibigan na who loves helping other people, who loves helping the poor. And sometimes, even to the point of they're hurt.
Yeah.
Their relationships falling apart.
So yun, it's not, tama yung pinagtuunan niya ng addiction niya,
Oo. Pero sobra-sobra.
pero dahil sobra,
Yan.
dun nagkakaproblema.
Katulad nung ano.
So kasi normally when you say addict,
Mm,
diba?
mm.
Addict yan eh. Addict sa masamang gamot, maling gamot, diba? Yun, definitely,
Ay, oo naman.
yun, ano yun, dahil sa, well again, kasi nga, nakakasama na to.
Oo.
Addict sa pagsusugal.
Oo.
Ayun, again, the effect is really wala. Bawal sa utang, right? But it's not really just kung ano yung kinakaadikan, but it's yung in excess, yung excessive.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So again, pagsusugal, excessive, because people have fun.
Yeah.
People use it as a pastime.
Yeah. Kaming dalawa, we went to the casinos.
Hindi
before.
siya addict levels,
Oo.
right?
Hindi, pero ito yung addictive personality ko ulit. Kasi kami ni RR, kasi dati nung bago-bago kami, pupunta kami ng casino, tapos meron kami, hanggang 2,000 lang, naglalaro kami, di ba? Yan yun eh, yan yung lie. Yung sige, hanggang 5,000, ayun na, doon na naging,
Kasi umaangkat na. Kasi nga, nanalo ka na eh. Diba? Alam mo that your 5,000 can be 32,000.
and the thing is, alam mo, yung kinaya nating kontrolin, kasi sinabi na natin, tama na. Enough. Okay, if we understand now, the dopamine, sabi nga ni Daniel Lieberman and si Michael Long, when they're talking about the caveman days, the need to explore, the need to hunt and gather, tapos, kasi nga kung hindi natin, kung wala yun sa brain natin, di ibig sabihin nga kung magugutom na tayo, we stay put and just die with our tribe peacefully. So, ang sinasabi nito is kailangan talaga natin that search. But now, in modern times, there's nothing to search. Everything is in the ref. Yun na lang siguro yung search natin, no? Yung hunting gathering, yung sa gitna ng gabi. Tapos parang, ano na yung kakainin natin?
Hindi, meron pa rin.
Mm.
Kasi kahit punong-puno na yung ref mo, mag-order ka pa din.
Totoo yan.
Yung search sa parang,
Yeah.
ano ba pwedeng kainin dyan?
Yeah.
Ang dami ang dami sa ref. Ang dami sa
Yes.
freezer. Ayaw mo lang galawin yun.
Yes. And again, livelihood noon, di ba? Parang the hunter-gatherers will sharpen their knives and their tools, etc. Now, it's buying books, right? It's now building your tribe, having more, yung conquering more land and conquering more spaces. Now, it's really having more social media friends, having more likes on social media. So, our brains have used that for survival all throughout, history and civilization. But when it is not directed the right way, and there are people, even in history and in civilization, na sobra, Kaya nagkaroon tayo ng mga dictatorship. Grabe, ang lalim ng usapan. Nagkakaroon tayo ng dictatorship, nagkakaroon tayo ng mga empires, di ba? Pero totoo yung molecules form more. And totoo yung sinasabi ni Lieberman and all.
Nakasanayan mo na kasi.
Oo. Thank God, ito na talaga determines the human race.
Mhm.
Until we say, enough. Like you've said enough. Ako, ang trigger ko ng enough was like, utong na loob, hindi na natin to afford. Ayoko mawala ng higit pa dito. Dumating ako sa point na yun eh. And I guess even, you know, in
Or
my...
transforming it. I mean, kasi again, balik tayo dun sa dapat nakakabuti to. I mean, not necessarily, addiction is not necessarily bad because it's supposed, that molecule, the dopamine, is supposed to be helping you. So katulad nung tayo, wala pa tayong mga anak, shopping, kung maka-shopping din tayo, grabe, right? Pero ngayon, nag-transform yun. Like ako, I still get that high when I do, instead of shopping for clothes, I do grocery shopping. Alam mo yun, at least, alam ko na yung mabibiling ko, makakain ng mga bata, or kailangan ng pamilya, or alam mo yun, kailangan talaga. It's essential. So, there is a way na may ikot mo tong addiction na to,
Yes.
right?
And I think naman sa akin, okay, ito nakikita mo to and I think some of you will relate to this. Yung, di ba yung addiction natin or yung addiction ko na manood, binge watching, up until a point na parang hindi na to okay. Hindi na to nakakatulong. Ihinto ko na to. Ang cut-off time natin ay, di ba? Meron na tayong ganyan. Kina-cut off time ko na rin siya. Unless walang trabaho talaga the next day, then we binge a little longer. But when I know how to stop, and then I replace it with other things that are more productive or, alam mo yung, I don't know, yung meron kang tendency na bumawi, babawiin mo. So, kunyari, meron akong ganyan na nag-binge watch. I don't know if you would see me compensate for it the next day by reading books, learning as much as I can. So, yeah, that's how our brain compensates.
So again,
Changes.
since we're talking about addiction, again, pag sinabi kasi addiction, lahat ng tao, stop the addiction. Not necessarily, di ba? So it's really transforming it in different ways that can help you. So ito ba yung rason din kung bakit addicts or drug-dependent people, all of a sudden when they found God, when they found religion, parang doon sila na-addict, and then it replaced that.
Okay, may sagot dyan yung libro ng Molecules for More. And I love, Molecules of More, and I love it. Because there are two different chemicals in our brain. Iba yung chemical that says more. What opposes the more is being present here and now. And it is being able to appreciate what you have. Hindi na siya yung parang more. More relationships.
Here and now, here and then.
Here and now.
Here and now.
Right. Meron tayong, yung Molecules for More is the there and then.
There and then.
When you look outwards, when you look up to the sky, something I want to achieve, a vision of the future, that's the there
Kasi
and then.
there and then,
Unreachable.
malayo sa'yo.
And there is a part of our brain that stimulates that. There is another part of our brain that stimulates the feeling of enough. The feeling of being satisfaction. And that is the here and now. And this is the...
Is it possible to get addicted to here and now?
Wow, that's a very interesting question.
Diba?
I actually am going to find out the answer to that. Although, nung pandemic, remember this, nung pandemic, nagkaroon ako ng, meron kasi akong there and then.
Daming there and then nun.
Addicted personality talaga ako. Yung more. Tapos, nung nagka-pandemic, hindi ka mapakali, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. Ano na gagawin ko? Tapos, aral. Kung ano nang pinagagawin ko. Sobra akong busy because my there and then was like going crazy. Then, what saved me was this thing that we did. Savoring. I learned that technique when I started studying positive psychology, well-being, and the neuroscience of being happy. Pwede pala. And that is, instead of just looking for more, wait, can I just pause? And this is the time na talagang I was just looking at you, holding your hand, and I'm like, savoring it.
Alam mo ko, I would think, yung here and now, I'm a very here and now person. Like, I enjoy, nakapula ko, ganyan. Pero nung pandemic, bigla ako nag-shift to there and then. Kasi parang, na-stuck yun eh. Parang wala na ako ibang choice kundi to be here and now. So, kahit na-enjoy ko siya, ayoko siya.
Magkapaliktad talaga tayo doon.
Kailangan kong lumabas, kaya ako laging, may kailangan bilhin, or may kailangan gano'n, ako yung nagagano'n, kasi I need, parang nasawa ako sa here and now.
Or, ito yan kasi the dopamine, all of the systems in our brain, nandiyan dyan because we seek to survive.
Mm.
Diba? To avoid pain, seek pleasure, to survive, and to conserve energy. Yun yung tatlong ginagawa ng brain natin. So, nung nangyari yung pandemic, your there and then was triggered to survive. You want our family, the motivator is for us to survive. Hindi ka pwedeng mag here and now nung panahon na yon. Kasi ilang tao nakadepende sa'yo, no? Lahat kami nga. Di ba, nandun tayo nun sa point na yon. There and then is not about the satisfaction. The there and then is always about, let's buy more, let's eat more. Busog na ako, pero kain pa rin ako ng kain. Not for the enjoyment of
Pero
it.
hindi kasi natin magawa yun sa labas. So,
So,
I'll
yeah.
satisfy and
Yeah.
bring that here.
Yes.
Kasi yun lang meron ako.
Yeah.
Kaya isang box yung nandun na sa entrance ng mga ramen, isang box ng soju.
Correct. So, it is so interesting, to study this part na magkaiba siya. And for you to be able to, okay, prior to this relationship, you know me, and my husband is my best friend. Pero alam din to na maraming tao na kaibigan ko na I have always, jumped from one relationship to another. For the next episode, to pag-uusapan natin about
Interesting.
cheating.
So maraming pwedeng pag-usapan dyan. And I think a lot of people would want to listen to that.
O, paano naging faithful ang isang cheater? Alam niyo, totoo. And I think one of the things that, really helped me is being here in the here and now. And I think even with our kids, yung minsan ang gulo-gulo at ang ingay-ingay, di ba? Pero pagka tinignan ko lang minsan yung mga anak natin na, kunyari, nagwawala, umiiyak, pero minsan tinititigan ko talaga yung mukha niya. Tapos parang, ang cute naman nitong botong to. Ay, tumutulo ang luha. Ay. Nagkakaroon ako ng
Pwede na
ganung
age
moment.
niya.
Pero nagkakaroon ako ng ganung moment na, sus. And instead of me feeling not enough,
Actually,
I feel
that was
enough at that
that was
moment.
the issue during the first 2 years of our relationship. Kasi ako, again, sabi ko nga, I am a very here and now. Ang gusto ko yung grocery together.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, that's a moment ng
Yeah.
couples.
Oo.
But I never saw you being contented with that. You were looking and parang, what can we do? What an adventure? What adventure can we ganyan? Go on.
I
Parang
was
ganyan.
like,
And then
am I
eventually,
still? Not anymore.
eventually found your way to,
Being happy.
be steady.
I remember.
Kasi remember sinabi ko sa iyo yun. Parang ako kasi kontento na ako dito. I don't know kung kaya mo yan. Diba ginanong kita So,
Meron ba mga nasasaktan dito? Pero, yes. Okay, may moment. Remember, nandun tayo sa isang restaurant in Pasig. And then, you're like, sarap nito, no? Ganun ka sa moment Sarap nito, no? Kasi nag-gear tayo, kumakain tayo ng shawarma. Sarap nito. Parang ang kulang
And
na
then?
lang. Sabi mo, ang kulang na lang, beach. Alam mo, sagot ko, tara, beach tayo. And that was like 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, midnight. Bagong-bago pa na kami. Ganun ako. Next, go! Let's go! Off to the adventure.
Yeah.
We went to
Actually, enough na
Tagaytay.
yun Okay na parang imagine na ako ng may beach yan, okay na. I mean, I had my drink, it was a moment.
Oo. Dahil sa ako yung,
So, kailangan itap yung moment na yun by going to the actual beach.
That's right. So, now, we're talking about this with so much vulnerability and reality. I mean, parang kumbaga naka-open na kayo rin sa,
Hilltop na yun.
At saka alam mo, ganito talaga kami mag-uusap. Actually, dapat atin hindi
Nag-analyze.
ina-analyze namin yung buhay at saka yung libro. And sometimes,
With what we know.
minsan opposing, minsan hindi. And that's why kaya siguro to pillow fights. Kasi opposing, magkaiba talaga kami. In so many ways, people see us at work na kaya namin hindi magkasundo, pero hindi kami nag-aaway.
And people at work know that we do that a lot. So, parang paglalabo ko yung ate, paglalabo mo yung sa'yo. And then, in the end, parang we somehow we try to understand, okay, sige, game. Yan na lang.
So, okay. So, sa dami ng binigyan natin examples, and I'm sure so many people are relating to this, maybe to give people a couple of tools. I think meron lang naman na nasabi na naman natin na mga ibang tactics and tools because there is a chemical that does the expectations, the reward system. I don't know if I said this, but I want to be able to reiterate just in case hindi natin na-record na anong nangyari sa mga camera natin kanina. But the dopamine does not get released upon reward. It's not a reward chemical that gets released because of the reward, but because of the expectation. So, yung sinasabi dun sa pag-aaral na pag walang expectation, walang dopamine release. So, kunyari, sinabihan ka, magkakaroon ka ng salary increase. Dahil may expectation, pag natanggap mo yung salary increase, walang dopamine hit.
Kasi
Na-expect mo na
Okay.
Pero pag hindi mo in-expect, tapos binigyan ka ng salary increase, yung dopamine mo, wow! Yan. So that's why when we expect something in a relationship, or expected na amazing yung relationship
That's why
mo.
surprises work.
Exactly. Exactly. Or, apparently, even for children, you do not reward them before. You don't tell them, okay, I'll give you a prize if you do
You
your
win.
chore, or if you win your competition, or mataas ang
Right.
grades mo. You tell them, okay, you just do your chore. When you want to give them the reward, it's after.
Sa bagay, kasi, like, with our son, di ba? Parang, sige, I'll give you a prize if you do this. Tapos pag nagawa niya, hey, where's my prize?
Exactly.
Nagde-demand, di ba?
Oo.
Pero yung parang, hindi niya na-expect. Really?
Oh,
Really? This is my prize?
I love you, Mom!
What?
I
Yeah,
love
may
you,
ganun
Dad!
siya eh. So,
Kita-kita mo yung difference ng expectation and yung wala.
unexpected.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, that's why even if you are in a fantastic job, yung sinasabi natin, okay na naman yung career mo, pero more. Or okay na naman yung relationship mo kasi, pero more. It's because wala ka ng expectation. Predictable na siya masyado. Yung brain natin likes looking at prediction errors. So yung pagka may error, doon sa pinipredict mo, kung positive yung error, masaya ka. Kapag ka hindi maganda yung error, yun tipo, ay, ba't di niya ginawa yun? Nadi-disappoint ka. So, yun yung mga dopamine hits natin pag tama or maganda yung predict niya. So now, because we know that, and hearing me, in these conversations right now, and, us talking about these things, you as a coach as well, expertise kasi naman talaga namin ito, are there things that we can give our audience as tips so that, ma-lessen yung addiction, ma-channel yung addiction to something that is better?
Like what we always do at home, even for the kids. Ang ginagawa natin, like yung 3 things that we're grateful for today. It brings you here. Diba? Here in the moment. Okay, today this happened to me. I'm grateful for this. I'm grateful for that. So,
and that also releases serotonin. So, gratitude exercise would be
journal.
Yeah.
Journal.
Journaling, you can write it down, or actually even just talking about it. It is a good exercise. I think number 2 would be meaningful conversations. Appreciating when you have types of conversations. That also releases the here and now chemical called oxytocin. So yung mga here and now chemicals, oxytocin, serotonin, yung there and then is dopamine.
Correct.
So when we start talking about how much we love each other, history, yung mga pinagdaanan namin, like I think this podcast is very good for our oxytocin and our serotonin.
Even in coaching, what we do, diba? Kasi parang people na takot, people na depressed, yan. Ano yun eh? Nasa future sila, nasa past sila, diba? So, to be able to put them in here and now, ang pinapagawa natin is really, sige, 5 things you see, 5 things you
That's
hear, 5 things you feel.
I think that I can recap that. I think I can recap that and call that as being present.
Yep.
Like maybe do being present exercises. For example, taking a walk, nature, exercising, meditation, all of those things that you can do to be brought to the present here now.
Okay.
So, ayan na, meron na kaming anak. Matingin ka dito. Sama ka dito. Wala kami. Para meron akong here and now every done. We're doing a podcast! Come on.
Here yet?
This is our
Okay,
set.
Tam? Yan ang sinasabi namin, expected na kasi niya. So, dinedemanda niya. Nasaan yung chess set ko?
Sige, tingnan natin kung ano reaction niya.
Ewan ko.
Wala pa.
I don't know. Wala pa ata. So, ang hindi niya alam is yung chess set na doon na sa party.
Yes! It's here!
Oh, ito mo?
I love you!
Exactly!
Ano?
Ano sabi mo?
I love you! I love you so much!
Come here! Liga dito! So, alam naman namin na dumating na yung kanyang chess set. Pero ayaw lang namin sabihin. Kasi kung expected na niya, at pag nakuha niya, okay, yay, it's here, right? Pero nung hindi namin sinabi na nandyan, sabi ko, magpalit ko muna. Ito ba reaction? Perfect.
Sobra.
So, it's using also the tools, no, that we're teaching you here to be able to get more impact or to be able to manage relationships na mas ma-appreciate nila.
So, be here. Be present.
Mhm.
Savor those moments.
Mhm.
Be grateful.
Mhm.
Whether it's through journaling or having conversations of gratitude with family. And do exercises like taking a walk.
Mm.
You know, just holding the hand of my husband. At saka yung favorite ko, ano yung palagi mong ginagawa? Pagtimpla ng kape para sa akin. Yan, mga ganon. Savor and appreciate those things. I think that is going to help in your being in the here and now.
Thickest pieces I've ever seen in my life.
Okay na.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching our podcast.
If you enjoyed our episode today, we promise to give you more. And our next episode is really interesting. Again, like what we said kanina. Cheating. So maraming interesado dyan. There are a lot of people with a lot of stories when it comes to cheating, whether they're the cheater or they've been cheated on.
Cheaty.
Yan. So, watch out and like and subscribe.
And pa-share na din ninyo sa mga friends niyo. So, till the next time on Pillow Fights.
Bye.
Oh, by the way, I'm Karel Herrera.
R.R. Herrera. Bye.
So, ito yung mga walang kwentang infrared na pinagbibili ko. Marami-rami yan. Yung iba actually pinamigay ko na. Para yan sa face. And ito naman yung pinagbibili ng ng asawa ko. Yung mga lights na yan. Pag tinanggal yan, kaya yan tanggalin dahil nakamagnet lang yan sa kisame. So, yan. Magnetic and rechargeable.